How to use TV Code Discovery, a simple guide.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can use TV Code Discovery to program your devices. We'll go over any special equipment that you might need and how to go through the process, step by step. Let's get started.
What is TV Code Discovery?
TV Code Discovery is a method that allows you to find the code that corresponds to your TV or other devices when programming a universal remote control. You don't need to have a list of codes at your disposal. Your remote will cycle through all possible codes until it finds the one that works with your device.
Do you need any special equipment?
The simple answer is no, you do not need any special equipment to use TV Code Discovery. All you need is your TV or other devices and your universal remote control. However, it's important to note that not all universal remotes support the code discovery feature. Check your remote's manual to see if this feature is available.
How does TV Code Discovery work?
TV Code Discovery is a relatively straightforward process. Here's a general guide on how to do it. 1. Turn on the device you want to program. 2. Point the remote at the device and press a specific button or combination of buttons that initiates the code discovery mode. Check your remote's manual to find this out. 3. Once in code discovery mode, the remote will start cycling through all the available codes. You may have to press the power button repeatedly to move to the next code. 4. Once the device turns off, that means the correct code has been found. Quickly press a button, usually indicated in the manual, to save this code. Please remember that these steps may vary slightly depending on the model of your universal remote. And that's it. That's everything you need to know about using TV Code Discovery. As you can see, you don't need any special equipment to use this feature. As long as you have a universal remote that supports code discovery, you should be good to go. We hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching.